We're back for the third section of our journey on the Mawson Trail from Adelaide. This time we are following the start of the Flinders Ranges all the way to Hawker. We face some unusually hot weather this late in the season and long remote stretches of gravel road as we head deeper into the outback. But it's all a small price to pay for the beautiful landscapes and warm, friendly towns.
Good morning. Well, we're starting about 5 a.m. today to try to beat the heat. After a good night's sleep, we're looking for a successful day up to Quorn. So, what a beautiful day to start. Sun's starting to rise behind us. We're looking forward to a fun day.
Got the moon on the one side and the sun on the other side.
Morning, look at that sunrise, beautiful.
There's Mount Remarkable, beautifully lit up by the sun now. We rode mostly in silence, just enjoying the early morning colors and big sky. That's beautiful, that ridge over there. Heading into Wilmington, our main priority was to put sufficient food in our bodies for the day. Just coming into Wilmington now, and luckily there's a bit of cloud cover, so it's still keeping everything nice and cool. Most of the town was still snoozing, but we found the general store was open and our breakfast menu was pies and bananas. Time to fuel up, Mike. How's that pie, Mike?
Oh my gosh, this is unreal.
That was a great little stop in Wilmington. Onwards and upwards. From Wilmington, we truly headed into the Southern Flinders Ranges with some big hill climbs and remote stretches. Time for a pit stop. And a few adjustments.
Nice breeze.
Yeah. Nice. This bump.
Good job.
Ah, that's beautiful.
Look at this, we're in the middle of the hills.
It's hard to describe how these wide open landscapes make you feel. The word awe comes to mind. A mixture of beauty, wonder, and a good dose of respect. You definitely feel like a tiny speck on a bicycle. Show me the line, Mike.
Alright, I'll pick it out.
Our last climb of the day was the Richman Range, and it was a real BLIKSEM. It was never ending, and it gave us a real test at the end of the day. That was a savage climb. Hopefully the last big one. I never know what's around the corner. More hills. Well done, Mike.
Good job.
That was a beast. That was super tough. And you know what? Look to your left.
Please, no. We're on this way, right?
Yeah, we go straight. We took some time to recover, just enjoying the scenery before an easy flat ride into town.
Here we are at the town of Quorn. I got a smile on my face. I survived another day. Loving the countryside. Heat's been a little bit interesting, but we're maintaining.
After checking into our motel, we had some time to explore a local craft beer brewery and ended the night with a superb silo light show.
Another day on the road.
I love a sunburnt country, a land of sweeping plains, of ragged mountain ranges, of droughts and flooding rains.